Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate difference between the two dates in Power Query. So let's start this maxel and here you can see I have a start date and end date. Okay, to load this data into Power Queries, first select this data and convert this data into table. Okay, press the Control T and here the create table dialog box open, click on the OK and your data is converted into table. Then go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option, then click on the from other sources, then click on the from table or rich. And here the Power Query editor is open. Okay. And here yours data, start date and end date. Now go to the add column tab and click on the custom column options. And here one dialog box will open, custom column. Add a column that is computed from the other columns. Okay, you can enter the name of the new column name also. I just enter customs and the custom column formula, just enter here the formula end date minus start date. Okay, after that click on OK and here you can see the end date minus start date column is added custom column. And after that go to the home tab and click on the close and load, and that's it. Here you can see in your Excel the Power Query editor tutorial is added with the difference between the start date and end date. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.